Everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And if you own an RV like myself, and when you're traveling, it's travel day, and you're going down the road, things are going to move, things are going to jiggle. And if you're looking for a toilet brush that you can put in your bathroom next to the toilet, and you don't have to tuck it away or make sure to have a checklist of like, I got to make sure the toilet brush is secure so it doesn't roll around or rattle when I'm driving down the road. Well, check this one out. This one here is a silicone toilet brush. It's made for RVs for the reason that they give you these two stickies that interlock like so. And you're going to be able to mount this to a wall or behind the toilet, and it's going to be secure when it's going down the road. So you don't have to worry about traveling. Super light. This comes out. You can clean your toilet. This part also comes out if you need to clean this. It does have a drain hole, so you clean both of these out. Over time, you can rinse these out by just sliding this off. I'll stay stuck to this unit. And then you can go ahead and tuck your brush in there, and you have a nice brush that will be hidden behind the toilet, but also secured to the wall, so you don't have to worry about it falling out or rattling out. And you can see here, you'd have to really be driving for this thing to like fall out of its hole. You'd have to really be driving for this thing to come loose and come out of this. It's not going to do that. You can even pop this handle off too if you wanted something a little bit smaller, if you don't need the full handle, and then you could put this in a drawer, but this just snaps right in. And it's great for traveling. So definitely recommend this toilet cleaning brush for your RV. Shout out to the company for gifting this so you can do a review.